Hey Petty fam, we're back with another video. We're doing Clarence NYC reacts to AMP 11 basketball. Let's get into it.
That was wild. Wait, Todd Dunk? Rim had to be low. Oh, he jumped on a chair or something.
Clare, because he petty like me. He jumped on a chair. I could not get up that high. Somebody picked him up or something. Did y'all see it?
Hey, welcome to the brand new AMP basketball court, man. Right here. Hey, it's about to be absolutely crazy out here.
Hey, man, we got a court, bro. We got a court. That's crazy,
and what is show?
Huh? The view.
God, look at the city. Look at the city.
Lights, man.
Lights, man.
And we got some beautiful women over there. Okay.
Yeah, it's not important. Purpose, right?
Hey, Jordan Poole, this is for you. Every time I see girls, I just get better, bro. So thank you so much, bro.
Plus 15 to the attributes, bro. Yeah, that's cool, fellas. Let's go crazy.
Come on, let's go.
Oh, this might be a good ass video.
Put your name on it. Put your name on it. Thank you so much.
I was here like last week playing on the court. Bro, that's fire. That's a fire edit.
It's time to find out who each one of our ladies draft as their teammates in the second ever AMP Love and Basketball Draft. First up, the girls play knockout to determine today's draft order.
You got your eyes on, man. Goddamn single one.
Tonight will be night that I will.
You want a teammate? Teammate, man. Do it all alone. All I need is the guys, bro. You know what I'm saying? All I need is the guys.
Who is the baddest here? Like, who would you like to take that go beat your mom?
Niggas basketball. Niggas say, who's the baddest here? Niggas is picking that partner off a look.
Meet my mom. Meet your mom.
It's loving basketball. They like, he said, "Go meet my mom." Okay, let me see.
You gotta choose. Now right there. Purple? Purple tough too.
Hey, bro.
Yo.
They got abs, bro.
They got abs.
Bro. I don't even got abs.
Nah. I'm working on mine.
Yeah. Right.
Well, why you say like that?
No, I'm saying.
Like, I feel like you dismissed me just now.
Dismiss?
Yeah,
I wasn't gaslighting you and shit like that. I was just saying, like.
Oh shit, Gay, you say you fucking with the one with the purple? Yo, this Gay, you say you fucking with the one with the purple?
Wait a minute, whoa. Oh, damn. Okay, like.
Oh, that's me. She's like, really? Who?
Yours, baby. Hey, like,
Clarence, what celebrity can really hoop for real? That I've been with? Chris Brown could definitely hoop. Like hoop. Like a hooper. Like he hoop. Who else? Who else have I been around? Polo G's alright. Who else? NLE Chopper's good. He hoop. NLE Chopper hoop.
good job.
You come into this being dominated, you know what I'm saying? Dominating performance. You came out and knocked.
I gave Chris Brown in them buckets though.
Got him
I
really
scored like
excited.
23 on him.
I feel like a very high draft pick. Who you feeling? Who you looking into to be your teammate to take you to the top?
I'm gonna get Pink Headband. I don't even know his name. I'll figure it out.
You seen him dunk?
I did.
You seen him dunk?
I did. He said he played cricket. Mama, he said he played cricket. He said he don't play ball.
No.
So.
Oh, he told you that? He told you he played cricket?
That's what he told me. So I know lying.
So if he's not available,
Are you talking about Duke?
get your pick.
I'm the first pick.
You all right? You all right? So that's who you want.
That's what
That's who you want. Okay. That's who you want. I just want to let you know, man.
Get him, sis. Get Duke. There you go, girl. I don't blame you one bit.
Pretty much.
Anything you ever
Everyone's got their eyes on you. I'm not gonna lie. You know what I'm saying? You really don't even supposed to worry about who's looking at you. Worry about what you're looking at. Money, right. Money. You damn right. Money. You damn right.
I kind of low-key, I don't know why. I feel like that nigga Duke, low-key, just a little fell off athletically. Really? Damn. Like, those
Nah, that nigga Chris Brown nice, bro. That nigga nice.
Damn. I mean, shit, I saw him dunk earlier, but if you think he fell off, that's your personal opinion. Damn.
Look, he finna do something to press the moves now.
He's about to.
Seriously, though, just look how he moving. He's not moving as athletic.
I just saw him fumble his dribble.
He just fumbled his dribble. He might be ass now.
So you think Duke's ass now?
Huh? What I miss?
Petty.
You know that. Man, this nigga had to dunk, bro.
I didn't even see it, though. I didn't even see it. He probably can't dunk.
God, this nigga had to.
This nigga's such a tryhard.
It's over, bro.
He just dunk, bro. It's just a wrap.
No, hey, we can lower the rim and I can dunk.
No, don't
Nigga, then it's
He said we can lower the rim and I could do it.
obvious, nigga.
No, hey, distract him and I'll lower the rim.
The stakes are high today, and as you can see, it's hot as hell out here. And the ladies are looking for good talent and good AC. And I'm already hearing right now that Davis Room got a melted fan in that motherfucker.
Damn near him.
Let's see what you got. Let's see what you got.
Hey, girls. Get him, lady. See, that's my girl right there. She's like, yep. Don't even look at Duke. He man.
Did she know Duke slammed me one time? I don't think she's seen the clip.
Glaze, am I right?
Yo, bro, what?
Nigga David said glazing, right?
I feel like it's only right, you know. I trust him. I trust him very well, you know. So we gonna see how this gonna work. But I trust him. He always got my heart.
I know.
I heard you don't like goofy niggas. I ain't a goofy.
Nigga hair look wild different right here.
Bottom of the barrel.
I think she like that. I think she like that, right?
This is what everybody has been waiting for. This part 2. Y'all know who I'm gonna pick. No, you know who I'm picking. You know who I'm picking. You know who I'm picking.
Facts.
Yo, I'm not gonna lie.
Facts.
Chris look dumb brolic right here. Am I bugging? This kid been working out or something, bro.
Chris is cute. He really is. Chris next door, he's adorable.
Let me put this chat over here real quick, though.
Okay, I see the orange. Chris next door. Okay, boo.
Kid look extra brolic. Danny baby subbed up with the prime. Appreciate you.
Waiting for. I'm just saying this right now. We winning. We're not losing. Let's do it. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's go.
I'm just here to put the fans in the stands. And that's what I'm going to do regardless.
Yo, Phantom is the last pick.
It's okay. We're going to get some buckets. We out. Okay. We out. Okay. It's okay. We out. Fuck y'all.
Man, it's gonna be a great day, man. AMP love and basketball, man.
We gonna win. I ain't tripping. Niggas trying to pick me last and shit. We gonna be first to win though.
How you feel about your pick?
Khadija said Phantom was me and P.
I was just saying, bro, I wanted somebody I could compliment my game and stuff like that. And you know, compliment her game and stuff like that.
What's gonna be our strategy going into it? What's gonna be our strategy?
Teamwork. Teamwork. You know, I got a strong black king that I trust.
Strong.
Feel me? And an alpha woman doesn't mind submitting when an alpha male is in the picture. But he knows I got his back like 4 flats on the left. So regardless, I feel like.
See, where's she from? She talking that game. Go, girl.
She look type brolic, Mo.
Very confident, especially against his team.
Oh yeah,
we gonna go with these 2 right here. And where the other one at? Over there. He got a little thing on his knee.
Well, shut your bitch ass up, bro. I'm gonna see you in the push. Shut your bitch ass up.
You know, let them talk. Let them talk. We good.
What you got going on,
Let them talk.
Hey, you worry about your shorty, bro. You worry about yours. You worry about your shorty, bro.
I'm not short, okay?
Yeah.
I'm tall.
Why is Phantom sweating?
I'm pretty tall.
Yeah. Welcome to the motherfucking living room.
This what it is? Huh?
It's living room.
That's nice. That's the kitchen?
Nah, that's the kitchen over there.
Oh, y'all got 2 kitchens.
This is where we blow shit up at.
Why are you looking for the kitchen?
You heard? You know what I'm saying? I mean, we got kitchens here I could cook for you too,
Why?
right?
No, I'm good. No, thank you.
Yeah, why not?
Cause you cook for somebody else.
She said, "Why I'm gonna come to your house and cook for you?" Like, come on now, get him, sis.
Who I cook for?
I don't know.
Who I cook for?
I said I don't know. Now stop screaming at me. We better than that.
Let me teach you how to stream.
Okay.
Alright, so basically, pretend it's your chat here. Alright? How you gonna act? How you gonna act?
What, the motherfucking TV?
What that is?
The motherfucking, Stand fire. Stand fire.
That had my car, you will, right?
Why you keep talking about my fucking height? We gotta go be able to grow.
Okay.
Talking about my fucking height.
We can't grow. What?
Where have you been?
You can't grow.
Where have you been?
What do you mean?
Where have you been?
They said she should have matched with Phantom, stupid.
Was when? 2021? Like Thanksgiving?
Thanksgiving.
Where have you been? Where have you been, bro?
Where have you been?
I've been here.
Word, man, shit has happened since then.
God, you don't know.
Yeah, man.
So boom. See, this is a subscription resub. That
Nah,
means,
she's mad pretty.
Like times they monthly subscriptions, like subscribing to Netflix and shit.
Yeah.
So his name, her name is SB Shay09. SB Shay09, thank you so much for the fucking 2 motherfucking months. Thank you so much. Oh my God. Oh my God. Thank you so much.
Danny Baby with the fucking gifted.
Alright, yo, go.
Appreciate you for the 2 months.
So yeah, just Kelly GZZ1 has subscribed with a Prime sub. How are you gonna you're a streamer? How you gonna react?
Okay.
Come on, put that.
Mr. Make It Out said Chris and that girl need to get right with each other.
Okay, I gotta wear these.
Yup.
Because you was doing a little bit too much.
No, it's just you gotta be enthusiastic. Like that, they spent their hard-earned money for you to stream this shit. So right.
Okay, you said the Kelly one?
Yeah.
Thank you, Kelly GZ1. Thank you so much. Oh my fucking God. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Kelly, thank you, ZZZ1. That was
Good. That was her first time, y'all. I liked it. Okay, girl. You did that, sis.
Yo, this nigga's stupid, bro. What's wrong with this nigga?
I'm fucking beautiful. You now content creator. I'm so fucking proud of you. I'm so fucking proud of you.
I learned from the best.
W couple.
Thank you. I learned from the best.
The room is
Who's your
looks
new
crazy.
love interest? Who your new love interest?
Lulu York with the 5 fucking gifted. Oh my God, I would run off, but my knee and shit is fucked up. But thank you, Lulu.
Don't run off, Claire. We don't want you to hurt your knee. I got you, Claire. 5 gifted. Like I got some money.
Appreciate you. Where you at?
I played at Florida State for 4 years.
I love you, Lulu.
My last year at University of Louisville. Now I just
Lulu.
Yep. I'm ready to travel.
I was gonna play professional basketball for like.
I used to like that shit.
I did.
Now back to what I was saying. Who your new nigga, bro?
What's me?
I don't like that shit, bro.
Why?
I used to like that shit.
Damn, I wish I had some gushers, man.
I don't like that shit.
Why? Because I'm older now and you can't talk to me any kind of way?
What the fuck is you talking about? I can talk to you however I want.
What's going on there?
They're making too much fucking noise.
However I want to. Give me some privacy, young nigga.
Are we interrupting?
Give me some privacy, young
Are we interrupting?
Stop the camera. Because he right. Snap.
Oh, shit.
No, we gotta get that on camera.
Oh, shit.
We gotta get that on camera for sure.
Don't love that shit.
That's all.
Oh, I thought she had 2 Apple Watches on.
There it is.
No fucking way.
What's up here?
And merch.
You gonna give me a shirt?
Which one you want?
For real, you gonna give me a shirt?
But I wear large.
I could just wear oversized.
So you be wearing like the large shirt and nothing else under? It just be large shirts?
I can't, you know, spill it. But give me large.
You want a ski mask?
That's hot. Actually, that's kind of cool. Yeah.
Big Money J, stop fucking playing with me.
Right.
Yeah, it's kind of cool.
Okay, no, that's fine right there. That's fine.
See? Hold on.
I can see you in these.
No.
I can see you in those.
That'd be a hard no.
Really?
It's unfortunate.
Wow.
It's not my style.
Okay, so you more like a clean look.
Yeah, more simplistic.
Nice. Okay, so you throwing these on.
Yeah.
Is it
I can rock that.
maybe?
Yes. No, yeah, I can rock those.
What about the Marys?
Yeah, those aren't bad.
They smooth.
Those aren't bad.
Okay, I kind of know.
Okay. You got a little bit style.
What you mean a little bit?
You got a little bit. That's okay.
Hold on, like, niggas got some, you know
If you go Amiri sneakers, make sure they low top, gang.
what I'm saying, some stabbers, a couple, you know, it's like Stussy and them.
No.
You're not really into fashion?
Meh.
You're not really into the garments?
Not too much.
Okay.
I was just
Come on to work for this?
This is a Mickey Mouse shit though. So far, this is Mickey Mouse. There's nothing about to play hard.
That's cool. Let me earn it. Oh, a little sweat in my eye. Careful, guys. About to take off.
Why is he playing her so hard?
Oh! It's all right, I like it.
I'm wearing right. I like the clown.
Now, here. Yo. Oh, my God. Yo, don't shoot at for real. It's actually loaded. It's fucking 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 loaded. Fuck.
Are you okay?
Yo, is Chris booty sweating? Did you just see that? Did he shit on himself? Nigga shitted on himself.
Are you okay?
I'm okay, babe.
Are you okay?
I'm okay, love. I'm okay, my
so
fucking
sorry.
right
I'm so sorry.
I'm okay, my heart. I'm okay, my fucking love.
See, the mask turned me into a different person.
It's all right.
I'm
It's
not
okay.
like that for real.
It's okay.
I'm sorry. Are you okay?
Yeah.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Now fucking run. Now fucking run.
What part of New York you from? Oh, okay.
Look at these fucking bums. What the fuck you get paid for? Fuck you.
I've been waiting to say this. You's a bitch.
What the?
You's a bitch. You don't know how to play ball, nigga. Hey, chill, bro. That's waiting for you. You come down here, nigga.
I'm coming down there, gang. Me and Shorty right here. We locked in for life. Me and my wife right here. Ooh, that's look too much. Me and my baby moms right here. Me and my girl right here.
Friend.
Me and my twin. We locked in.
I like twin.
Y'all chemistry ain't on our shit, bro. Look at y'all. Look, lost. Look at them lost. Hold on. Where's your partner at? Big T right here. What you talking about?
Not Big T.
All right, man. Just checking in, man, with Duke, man. How you feeling about your team, man? You feel like sexual? Like both, really. Really, how you feel sexually? How you feel like about love?
Perfect.
He said, "Is he a little bitch, though?"
Emotionally and sexually.
Bro, I like her jump shot though. Really, like I said, like she listen. She considerate and like loyal, and that's really what I need in a little partner. Life or basketball.
Right? I ain't gonna lie, fam. I'm out of TYB, bro. I ain't gonna cap. She look good.
We can do it together.
Together?
No, like if it don't work for you, you can pass it to me. If it don't work for me, I'll pass it to you.
But if it don't work for me and y'all pass it to you, why the fuck would you pass it back to me if it don't work for me?
Persistence. I didn't deserve that.
You did. He just asking for a turn. No, but
I didn't deserve. Did I deserve that? I didn't
no, they be treating you wrong, boo.
deserve that.
You playing my game. I'm be fouling like crazy though. You told me that before the game? Like I might even tackle a nigga today. Tackle. 100%.
He gonna tackle in basketball. He was working since hard though. He might actually tackle somebody.
That's my type of basketball, young man. hey, I ain't see nothing. You do your thing.
Hey, but I like that. I like you, man.
Yeah, hey, no problem. Hey, you got... I'm gonna take his ass up. Talking about some damn tackle. We don't do that here. It's a street ball. Yeah.
My nigga Shaq. Shaq is one of the biggest refs I've seen.
You know what I'm saying? It's clear, right?
Is that a blonde stick?
To the women, we gonna get bitches. You know what I'm saying? We gonna get bitches. You know what I'm saying? So if you give them the technical, right? Then technically, they're gonna be some pussy. Come on. Listen. If you don't call it traveling, right? Them draws unravel. You know what I'm saying? You get what I'm saying? So that's what it's all about, bro. We're just gonna play some good basketball. Yeah, for sure. All right, man. Game to 7, 1s and 2s.
I've never seen a big ref.
Do it. Watch your hands. Watch your... No way.
You could call your own foul? This nigga just shot it and said foul when there's mad refs right there.
We call them fouls, nigga. We call them fucking fouls. Come on, bro. Play through that. Come on.
Let's go, Morgan.
Come on, man. Good shit. Come on, man. Let's go.
It's a middle school intro move. Okay, Davis. Bro, pass the ball, gang.
Oh, okay.
That was tough. That was tough. What score? She nice. She nice. I'm not gonna lie. She nice. She got it.
Oh, for the game? Oh. There you go. There you go. What, AJ? Oh. There you go.
She nice. You go. You shoot it. Oh yeah.
This is hot. Go, girl.
Bro, what? Golly. That shit do get slippery though. That floor gets slippery.
ISO.
I'm tired as hell.
Put it right there.
Okay, get strong then.
There you go.
This nigga AJ is fake carrying.
6'4". Good post work right there. They got his takeover, man. Sing double straight. You got okay.
Yeah, give her the ball, bro. She hasn't missed. What the hell?
That's a foul. That's a foul. Up top. Up top. I seen it. I seen it. I ain't gonna let you down.
Pull that. Pull that.
Oh, that's tough. Me and Queen in the next Love and Basketball. King Jaquan with the gifted. I appreciate you guys.
How you feel about that game right there, man? It was tough, man. You was in the paint, really cleaning. Really on vacuum mode, man. It just wasn't enough. You know what I'm saying? And
That's right now.
She was out there hooping, man. She really carried the load. She really carried the load.
They was held it down, bro. They was hitting shots and shit like that, bro. We wasn't hitting our shots. I don't know what that first fumble was, but I beat Davis last couple times. I like going up against Davis. We was both fouling, playing rough. I prefer it that way. It's the way it was, man.
Oh,
the way that cookie crumbled.
Way the cookie crumble.
Great PR response. Come on, man.
Way the cookie crumble, man.
Did I get plus 10 team chemistry?
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Plus 5.
Appreciate it.
Plus 5, man. But I appreciate y'all. Y'all had a lot of heart out there. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people don't have heart. You was in the paint no matter.
Heart over hype.
Even with it stacked against you, never gave up, man. I appreciate it.
I remember y'all versus DDG and Kennedy. Yeah, we cooked them and they cheated. DDG's a cheater.
First game win, man. How are you feeling right now, man?
I gotta give a lot of credit to my teammate. MJ, she did her thing.
Yo, she's nice.
Doing what you gotta do.
You know what I'm saying? You hit a tough shot for the end, though. You know what I'm saying? I give yourself some credit at the end of the day, man. Y'all came out there, y'all executed. I saw y'all moving the ball. I see you had a little ball handling. Where'd you get that from?
Man, God.
So beautiful, man.
That part. I think sis played for college or something. She real good.
Me being able to touch the floor again, you know, not be the referee. That nigga is blind. I don't know how to be mad at niggas. Basketball video.
Chris can play ball again? Chris.
I need Chris not to get hurt no more. Fanning. He's so funny.
One free shot. Team Chris get one free shot. That's a tackle Team Phantom. One free shot. Who's shooting it? You shooting it?
Yeah, she got it.
She got it? Hey, you get one more, you ass call.
The free shot from free throw is crazy though.
Team Phantom ball up top.
Oh! Yo, are these girls real basketball players? Because I know just no random.
That's what I said, Claire.
Joints is doing, like, they hooping. Chris need to be careful, bro, please.
Oh, you hit it. Shoot for it. Shoot for it. Keep Chris. Chris. Y'all niggas crazy.
Oh, they play college, all right.
Free shot. I'm gonna toss your ass. I done warned you twice. Let's go. We got 1-1.
Okay, Phantom. Bro, I'm not gonna lie, Phantom was looking high in Japan. I seen some shit on TikTok. Kid was hooping out in Japan. He got a good release though.
2-1.
Got a good fall.
Right, stand up for your New York brother. Okay, Phantom.
Nigga, pay attention. You're down. You just airball, nigga.
Pull up.
I ain't get no pulls for fit. What you want? I ain't see it. No siento.
What that push on shit?
Oh!
We got push on shit. I want you trying to push.
Nah, I think Chris is brolic. Why he look so strong?
Oh, damn. This shot is so high. Okay, Chris.
This nigga came back from the injury better than Derrick Rose.
Y'all petty. Oh, they say he can't pay better than Derrick Rose. Let Derrick alone.
Go get a bucket.
Watch out.
wrong with that one. I saw that one going in.
Yo! Yo, she's tough. She's nice. Well, they all tough, but her and the last girl that's on Davis' team is tough. Just give her the ball, fandom. You don't gotta do anything. Nah, she's OD.
Go purple, go purple, go purple, sis.
Hey, watch him out.
She's baking this girl right here.
No way.
Yo!
Big Cam. I mean, 7 assists, 7 points. Come on.
Hey, how does that feel, man?
Yo.
She barbecue chicken that girl right there, bro. In her grill right here.
Hey, watch him out.
No way.
That girl. She's something else right there. She is something else.
I mean, 7 assists, 7 points. Come on.
Hey, how does that feel, man?
She is something else.
How does that feel? Can I talk to y'all the winners like Davis?
Yes.
How does that
All we
feel
do
right
is take
quick?
dubs, man. They doubted us, you know what I'm saying? They ain't believe in us. But God did, know what I mean?
We're still
How does
winners,
that feel, man, to drop
That was just practice. He hasn't hooped in a long time.
Nah, you got baked, shorty. You got baked. I'm not gonna lie. You got baked.
the assist.
I took
I wouldn't be here without him. On to the next. On to the next
Amazing
round.
game,
For
man.
sure.
Amazing.
Great game.
You was looking good out there. You were looking good out there.
Yeah, your shorty got baked.
Difference.
Well,
It's just like she didn't even see her.
Like, if we were going against Kai and that was her teammate, that would have been like okay.
It was the height advantage. It's hot out here too.
Hot out here.
Yeah, Phantom ain't do nothing. I'm not gonna lie.
Camera, so.
Next game, Team Duke versus Team Davis. Let's get it. W teammate right there. W teammate.
He good.
1-0.
I think this is about to be a quick game. I'm not gonna lie. Hey, she look real. I'm not gonna lie. She look like Angel Reese or something right here. She look legit. Her and Duke.
Hey.
She's nice. Oh my God. Have we seen her miss?
No.
She hasn't missed in 2 games, bro. What the f?
Hey. Two one.
Bro, Davis, give her the ball, bro. Yeah, you're not about to score on. Bro, she almost dunked that shit. Am I bugging?
Well, I do know if Claire do decide to go back to playing again, you got to find that girl, bro. You need to find her and play with her.
Maybe my eyes was off. She almost dunked that. Yeah. She wasn't close. Nah, she's nice, Mo. Why are they so nice?
Let her cook.
Yeah. Duke say he's not playing none of that. Straight to the rim. Oh, that's selfish. Your teammate is open over there.
3-2.
She probably can't shoot, though. Can she shoot? Everybody can shoot. Everybody can shoot, chat.
Get it. Oh, Davis.
Don't let her shoot, bro. Pull up. Good. Yo, she hasn't missed.
Cash much money. See, that girl, she need to go hustle out there in New York on them courts or something, because she could. Unless she got a college scholarship. I ain't trying to have you mess up your money. That girl need an endorsement deal.
She hasn't missed. Like, do you guys understand how impressive that is?
Hey, that mini going away.
Unless it's getting the corner, it's over. But she shoot from anywhere on the court, though.
Cat, shut up, Cat. How you just noticed Duke is playing? You cannot let her shoot. Let it fly. That's mad room right there. Oh, he's trying to take it to the cup.
Game time. Came on the court, executed. Fastest win today. I kind of, had a feeling that they was going to go how it was going to go. Got a great teammate. Fit me real well, fit my game style. And you see what happened when, teamworking ball. Move the ball around, have a plan, wear them down. Davis try to come in there and big bro you in the paint. She shout out to Davis' teammate. Real hooper.
Yeah, she's a real hooper, Mo.
I don't think he scored, though. I don't think Davis scored. Did he score?
Not that I recall.
She's carrying them.
That's a test to my defense and my,
Put your lamb on it, I'll put my lamb on it.
Take his motherfucking ass up.
Niggas is putting that lamb on it.
Put your lamb on it, I'll put my lamb on it. Bet, nigga, put your lamb on it, nigga. Fuck you talk about, nigga. Team Clare versus Team Queendom. I can't wait to I can't wait to have two. I can't wait to have to get the red and blue Spider-Man. Hold on. I can't wait to have to get the red and blue Captain America. I can't wait to have the red and blue. Hold on. I can't wait to have red and blue. Oh, hold on. Matrix. Damn! Matrix. Red pill, blue pill. Oh! Damn! Fuck out of here, nigga. I'm gonna beat your ass, nigga.
All in. Teammates are nervous.
Nah, I don't look like that's a game right here. I'm not gonna lie, bro. Phantom.
Okay, teammate.
Who y'all think is the best girl out of all of them? I think Phantom's teammate might have the best. It's either Phantom's teammate or Davis' teammate, bro. Her shit is so... That shit looks so perfect.
Another one.
Phantom teammate got a perfect ass jump shot, bro. So does Davis though, but nah, Ka.
Really do it. It's like no net. Like she don't even touch the rim. No rim. She don't even touch the rim at all. So it just go in like dip.
Nah, Ka's bugging. Ka look like he'd be real though, like.
3-2.
Yo, Kai flew, bro. That nigga genuinely hit a brick wall, which was Phantom's belly, bro.
Hey, calm down, bro.
Flagrant foul. Ain't no flagrant two.
Flagrant two, yes. Flagrant two?
Yeah, that's a shot and ball back.
Can I get one shot and ball back? Flavor 2 on Team Phantom. Go shoot your shot, man. Go.
That thing Kai about to make this? Okay, Kai.
He's leading the lead right now in fucking text. You know that? 4 up right now, y'all.
They about to lose?
Oh. That's out.
Yeah.
That's out. 6-4.
Give it to her, Phantom. Butter. Watch.
6 up.
Yo, she's the one. Nah, she's the best one, bro. I don't want to hit Davis' teammate. She was nice. I'm not going to lie. She's the one. Not the 2. She's the one. Hit the 2. Hit the 2, shorty.
Game time.
Hey.
Phantom always shooting some air balls, bro.
Right there. That's not out of bounds, bro. That's not. Why it's always with you? Why always got a problem with you? Why always got a problem with you, bro? The ball was in, bro.
He's fighting for
He fights for love.
game.
He fights for love.
No, absolutely. Absolutely. You really fucking up my relationship right now. Yo, what the fuck? I'm trying to get right and you fucking me up.
Why you? Yo, what's going on, bro?
Stop bullying my teammate. Shit is crazy. Stop touching my teammate now. Come on, I mean,
That's what we do.
back up.
So now, does that mean it's Kai and Duke in the championship? Yeah, Phantom. I think Phantom got cheated too.
I'm really here to ask the really tough questions, the real well-done state questions, man. Like real talk. So between me and you, know what I'm saying? Because in the day, this is loving basketball. How do you feel about your teammate? Like, if you could switch her for anybody, would you switch her?
Nah, I wouldn't switch her, man. She's great, but I'm not gonna lie, bro. Opposed from like the last time I seen her, it's like she like lost feelings with me, bro. Like for real, like she don't like me the same as she used to. Like I've been playing it, and it's like she told me that I'm the brother that she never had. She called me her best friend. Like, what do you mean by that?
You know what that mean? She got a man, bro.
Nah, like, what do you mean by that? Like, why you calling me that? Why you call me your best friend, bro?
Talk to him.
Like, after all this time that we done had, why you call me your best friend?
Just keep it real.
And then on the basketball side of things, she's doing amazing. She's doing great.
Niggas say
and I take accountability. I'm not doing shit out there, bro. Cause in my head, bro, I be thinking I'm doing shit, bro. But I'm not doing shit.
What do you think you be doing? I just want to know. What runs through your mind when you was out there? Cause we saw
like
what
my defense. I think my defense is a little good. I be thinking that like I be having the shot ready to go, or I be able to like have a defender on me and I'm gonna lose them. But it's hard, bro. This shit hard, bro. Like so, I go. It's alright though, cause I go into training soon. So I go into training soon, and I can't wait.
Alright, so first, man, we got a check ball. Kai's gonna get it into Dasani.
Dasani has the size to win this game.
He does.
Now, Kai does not have anything except for...
Good drive from Kai! Layup, not quite. Duke gets the rebound.
That might be the last time they touch the rock.
That is true.
Now, no joke.
Oh, man.
That's ridiculous.
Easy rebound.
No joke. Hey, no joke. I saw her hit 11 threes in a row before the game. I swear. You see it? Yes.
Man, Kai passed right over to Duke. Lay. Missed opportunity to dunk.
Yeah, why would you not get the first dunk on the court? Yeah, I almost lost a little respect.
The game is over, bro. Teammate has bad knees.
Oh, Duke with the big shot.
Game 11. KC 3000.
That's a fucking great question.
On a genuine note, she actually...
Nice spin move, fade. No, rebound goes right back to her. Duke on the cut, lay. No, that misses too. Another rebound.
I said he was giving us a little watch.
3 buckets.
I told y'all she could shoot.
It's fucking unstoppable. It would take a miracle from Team Kai to win this one.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, they're running a train on them right now.
Yeah.
Let's be honest.
The problem here is Dasani's not really finding her teammate.
Nigga Duke playing with God. That's, oh my God.
Duke!
I told you, Now the nigga washed. This nigga's washed. Hey, this nigga's washed.
Niggas said Kai is naturally ass.
This game, man. It's over with. I ain't even got to rest.
Yeah,
it's 6-0, man. I ain't even got to do my job.
So what's your thoughts on the game so far, man?
I ain't gonna lie, it's an ass whooping. 6-0 is kind of crazy. They got the tallest backcourt in the nation. Come on, man.
First shot of the game.
Duke. Good test from Kai. Yeah, this shit is over with. It's over with.
Hey, halftime.
8-0.
They hold me on that MMA basketball shit.
I know. We just saying, nigga, step it up.
You gotta show up for your bitch. You playing bad in front of your girl, bro. Come on, nigga.
That's crazy,
Bro, you supposed to play better when the
I
whole
need to start following this nigga.
Dude, I ain't gonna call it. Look, me and you here. Am I? Who gonna call it? Who gonna call it? Play better, nigga. I got you,
But this nigga think he going to the NBA still. Yes. Hey, nigga, your time is done, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Nah, I never played Duke 1-on-1.
As a rookie.
Team Duke and Destiny, man, y'all doing phenomenal right now. 8-0 is the score. How do you guys feel?
Regular. Real regular.
Man, that's it. That's it.
So, like, Team Kai obviously looked great out there against Team Phantom earlier today. You know, feel me? Were you guys paying attention? I feel like you guys kind of have a counter for everything they've been trying.
Yeah, we talk. We ain't saying our secrets, but we talk.
I mean, like, it's just us.
Man, fuck all that, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Like, word. Like, we know what I'm saying? We game plan, scouted them. We knew these motherfucking bitch ass niggas weren't really finna come out here and motherfucking operate, orchestrate how they was prior to us.
Yeah.
We long as fuck, nigga. Like, probably the longest out here. No competition. You know what I'm saying? Length is really what our power suit is. You know what I'm saying? Our strong suit. So, man, ain't nobody finna out-length us.
What? I noticed, like, you haven't really been clicking the X button all too much. The pass hasn't really been in your arsenal.
That's actually really funny.
Yeah. But, like, what's really going on, though?
Yeah, she's not passing the ball to Kai at all.
No, you can be honest. If you don't want to pass to a nigga, you can just say
No, I'll pass. If you want me to pass, I'll pass.
No, I want y'all
just
niggas
make the
to, I want
shot.
y'all to win, so.
Just make the shot if I pass, if you don't mind.
You promise to make the shot?
You gotta be patient with me.
Okay. As long as you be patient with me.
She called me the brother she never had.
What the fuck do you
Yeah.
have?
They're having problems off the court. You can tell they're having problems off the court.
You called me the brother shit first.
Hold on, bro. Wait.
Yeah, because you fucked it up by calling me that first.
Wait, hold on. You guys aren't brother and sister, though.
No.
I mean, they
What? Oh, hell nah.
Now look, I got some inside intel. Duke said if his teammate tells him to dunk, he's gonna dunk. So we gotta see it here.
I asked him that too. Like, yo, what if the ball just goes over the gate?
Technical foul called on Team Duke Dennis because now a nigga has to go to the bottom of the hill to grab the basketball.
The only balls we have left are WNBA balls.
Now we got that little Mickey Mouse Walmart ball.
Technical foul. I think he purposely threw the ball over the rim because
Who's gonna get that?
so I think Team Kai gets one shot in the ball.
I agree. Team Kai get one shot and ball back. That's a fucking tech. That's a fucking tech. That's a fucking tech. Purposely throw the ball. Hey, bro, we don't do all that. We don't do all that. What the fuck is y'all talking about? No, I'm saying, what the fuck is y'all talking about? What the fuck is y'all talking about? I'm saying, you do this shit over the damn gate, nigga. Two texts. Get your ass. We didn't even 8 shots, bro.
Nigga said 2 texts, 2 shots.
It don't matter. What the fuck is these niggas talking about, bro?
That shit dangerous, bro. That's a little ass gate.
Let me do 8 shots then. Bitch ass nigga.
I never said that. Oh, it's all good. It's all good. No, practice.
Now her smoking this.
I'm not gonna lie, she might be the worst one. Out of all the girls, she might be the worst one, bro. What the fuck was that?
Did she blame the ball? Nah, Designy got a severe lack of accountability. I've seen her blame Kai about 4 different times.
And you know what? I don't like that in women. I really don't like when women have a lack of accountability.
I was at 82% free throw shooter in college.
Nah, Duke Dennis not taking it easy on Kai Cenat here. Fade misses. Designy though. 25.
Team Kai ball up top. Team Kai ball up top. Let's do this. That's Cap. You want to wait over here with me? Hey, bro, I got the call, bro. I got the call, bro. Team cop ball up top, bro. I see the call. I see the call, bro. Let's type jersey on. Hell no.
What the hell is Queen doing?
Everybody down.
He's just calling bullshit. They don't know what they doing.
Yeah. Oh, dunk.
With the first dunk here on the AMP court atop the AMP mountain.
The fuck is you dunking for? You get no kudos for that, nigga.
I made a promise to my dog, nigga, that I'm always
Fuck that
rock
promise,
out for,
bro.
nigga. God damn.
Get back on the line, bro.
Yeah, he might not. This nigga said I just hit Legend 1.
Okay. Niggas is taking off the shirt.
Do you think that
You know when niggas take off that shirt, they about to get serious.
he's a different breed? Shirtless Kai is like, he gains 5 attribute points.
Yeah, dancing.
Yeah. In emoting. Duke Dennis, though, with the ball, gets Kai in the air off the backboard. Zani, though, still missing.
Zani, man. The Zani shit is not water, man.
This is just not fair.
Game point. What's the 10-0?
The Zani shit is not water, bro.
Man, it's insane.
My leg hurt.
We got Duke Dennis up 10-0. His teammate drives left and reverse layup fouled.
It should have been Team Phantom versus Team Duke. That would have been a better game.
What the fuck?
So look, that's my last game before I really go into training. So we gonna be able to see a big difference from here to like I'm gonna hit it. I'm up and a half from that.
Nigga, you said that last month.
Y'all shot a collective 0 for 42.
I think that it's just
I don't know where to elevate my leg at, bro.
the little things. A lot of rebounds we had, a lot of picks and rolls. We couldn't, figure out. But
I mean, like, 1 point though. At least we made it to the finals. Other than this hating ass nigga with these SpongeBob skins. It's Patrick standing in SpongeBob. Let me talk my shit. First of all, they had the refs on their team. They had the refs on their team. I was playing 4 versus 2. Just know that. Yo, bro, it's Patrick standing in front of SpongeBob. Me and Big T would have took it all the way to the finals if it wasn't for the refs. You heard? Catch us next year though. You heard? Shit crazy. Bro, you lost the 500 with me. You lost.
All right, bro. Good luck with Chris Brick.
Now this nigga, bro.
Congratulations on y'all.
Hey, now this nigga, bro. Like every time, bro, this nigga get a fucking basketball. It's like the nigga just has to play good.
So here's the interview next.
I would rather be a nigga that lose and have all right games than a nigga that win all the time and is expected to win.
Okay.
If he lose to me, that would have been embarrassing.
You lost 11-0.
But he won, gang. You didn't even make it to the finals, brother.
11-0. You can find your way off the court.
Give me that AMP shirt.
All right, 11-0. So we got the winning team right here, man. How'd you guys do it? 11-0.
That shit slight, man. Shit slight,
What I said last time, I said baby food, right? That's what I said.
Damn, I'm not going to the doctor.
I really did it, man. 11-0 was a score. You promised us the dunk, Duke, and you delivered.
Man, that shit was slight, man. I really should have got between the legs 360 that motherfucker off the backboard.
Nah, you can't do that.
Yeah. Not too much on my teammate.
What the fuck is you even talking
Hey, can
about,
we
bro?
cut to a clip of him doing that? Huge congratulations to the winning team here. Congratulations on your
Yeah, I need a pillow. You smart. Damn Bush, you smart. Need a pillow.
Y'all subscribe, nigga. Like, if I knock your ass out.
And make sure.
Y'all heard it. Y'all better like, comment, subscribe to Petty Reactions before he knock you out. That's right, dude. He got a bet. Like, comment, subscribe, share if you can. Become part of the No Rule Squad.